Really quick, I just want to say thank you and tell you guys about the sponsor of this video, Dossier. This is Dossier, and man, oh man, let me tell you, if you're on a budget like me, but you know, you still want to feel chic and bougie sometimes, Dossier's got you. Dossier produces high-end luxury perfumes for a fraction of the price. You get the same quality of perfume from them just cutting out the brand tax and any additional expenses that would usually be put onto the original price. So you can literally find your favorite perfume for 29 bucks. They also have a risk-free system where you can try the perfume out on your skin, and if you don't like it, send it back within 30 days. You don't have to commit. The perfumes are so concentrated and they last forever, like all day. The bottle itself is very luxurious and very well made. It lists the top notes of all of these scents on the top of the front of the bottle, which is a huge plus for me because sometimes there's something about a scent that I really, really love and I don't really know what that scent is, but with Dossier, with process of elimination, you can find out what that scent is. The cap is magnetic. Look how cool it is, guys. I will link everything you need to know about Dossier in the description below. Get your hands on some amazing, affordable, luxurious perfumes. And now we'll get back to the video. Today, me and my kitty cat, because she wants to be part of this, we are gonna do a battle of the brows. I went to Ulta. I got some products. What we're gonna do is compare some of the brow waxy products. I already have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, and you guys already know I love that, but there are some more affordable options out there, and so we're gonna pick 2 of these, use them on each brow, and see which one holds better. We're gonna go in with Makeup Revolution first. This is just gonna be a quick comparison, guys. It says to dampen the brush, which I just did. Rub into the product. Again, this is the Makeup Revolution. And now we're going to go in and use this to fluff up our brow. I'm just getting the product in right now. And you can already see that it is making my brows a little bit more fluffy. Look at that, you guys. That actually looks pretty good. See if it'll stay. All I really did was run it through the brows, and you can see that it is definitely more fluffy. I'm gonna be going in with NYX Brow Glue. This is what it looks like. By the way, this is the container for the Makeup Revolution Brow Wax. And this is nice in the sense that there's already a little brush on the end of this. So we're just gonna do the same thing that we did with the other brow and just work it into the brow first. And then what we're gonna do is start to brush it up. I can tell you guys right now that the brush on this one feels a little bit easier to use, but the brows aren't sticking as fast as the other one. They're also not staying completely up and against the skin. That is it for the NYX product. I'm gonna let these both dry and then I will head back to the camera to show you guys the final results. My brows are dry and this is what they look like. I will be honest, this one did dry a little bit more stiffer. This is the Makeup Revolution side, but this side did dry enough for me to use it again. The only thing is the front of my brow up here fell a little bit as it dried. I tried sticking back up, but it just wouldn't. It was already past the point of trying to fix it, if that makes sense. They're both actually really good. And again, this is like first impressions because I haven't worn this all day, but I'm gonna say I would prefer the Makeup Revolution side for the product, but I really do like the NYX's applicator. All in all, they're both really good. They're both affordable and they are pretty comparable to the Anastasia Brow Freeze. Not as strong, but pretty close. This is it. I'd say they're pretty good. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.